Are you lacking energy at the moment? Can't seem to wake up in the morning? Luminet is made for you. Luminet is a pair of light therapy glasses that offers all the benefits of the sun in any season. In only a few days, you'll be dynamic and you'll get back to the natural rhythm of your body. Luminet offers you full freedom of movement. Wear it 20 minutes every morning during your normal activities. Luminet adapts to any face, so share it. Its unique mechanism sends light into the right part of your eyes with no glare and no effect on vision. Luminet resets your biological clock. It reproduces the beneficial effects of sunlight and regulates the sleep hormone. Your body gets back into its natural rhythm after 4 or 5 days of use. For maximum effectiveness, download the My Luminet app onto your smartphone. Complete your profile and get a personalized usage schedule. If you travel a lot, Luminet will also help you overcome the effects of jet lag. With Luminet, everything is easy. You can use it wherever and whenever you want. Order your Luminet today, and tomorrow get sunshine at the tip of your fingers.
This is the Litmore capsule, a one-of-a-kind, ultra-intelligent camera floodlight. It is unlike any security system you have ever used before, keeping your home truly safe from unwanted visitors. Retrofit it with your original floodlight fixture. You can install the Litmore capsule anywhere around your property. Are you tired of false alerts yet? The Litmore capsule solves this problem by integrating artificial intelligence and radio frequency-based technology into this unique design, creating the most efficient and sophisticated security system on the market. By applying a 4-level filtering algorithm, the 180-degree wide-angle camera picks out living things from objects, distinguishes humans from animals, isolates family members from strangers, and detects suspicious behaviors from normal behaviors. With 2,400 lumens, the Litmore capsule lights up the surroundings with 360-degree luminance, making full-color night vision a reality. So back to the point, you want an intelligent and easy-to-use floodlight and home security system, right? We have made it easy for you. Back us today and get your own Litmore capsule for a safe and happy holiday season. Litmore capsule.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.
In the past 100 years, we've gone from the industrial age to the
This one-piece molding, streamlined design, and drawing process shows technology and fashion.
50 Lock has various colors to suit your backpacks and clothing easily.